Imagine working 40 hours a week, year after year, only to find yourself financially stuck, living paycheck to paycheck. Despite your hard work, financial freedom seems elusive. This is the reality for many employees worldwide. Since the 1970s, the income growth for average workers has stagnated, while the top earners have seen exponential increases. Today, we delve into hidden reasons why many employees remain financially stagnant and explore actionable steps to break free from this cycle. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what's been holding you back, but how to propel yourself towards a future of financial security and abundance. If you believe you're built for more, subscribe now. We're here to guide you with tools, strategies, and stories that actually make a difference. Ready to rewrite your financial story? Let's dive in. Reason number 1, the loyalty trap that's keeping you broke. What if the very company you've been loyal to for years is the reason you're not moving forward? Let's get real. Most employees stay broke, not because they're lazy, but because they're loyal to the wrong thing for too long. You've probably heard hard work pays off, right? But what no one tells you is hard work in the wrong place pays someone else. You give years of your life to a job that praises your dedication, but never pays you what you're worth. You stay because of comfort, fear of change, or false promises like your time will come. That time? It rarely comes. As Robert Kiyosaki said in Rich Dad, Poor Dad, workers work hard enough to not be fired, and owners pay just enough so that workers won't quit. This quote hurts because it's true, but here's the harsh truth. Companies reward productivity, not loyalty. While you're busy being the most reliable employee, someone else is negotiating better offers, learning high-income skills, and building multiple income streams. Your loyalty becomes a prison when it stops serving your growth. Start treating your career like a business. Constantly upskill. Learn digital marketing, coding, sales, or finance. Take certifications. Track your value in the market. If your current job doesn't pay you what you're worth, be ready to walk. Always have plan B and C. One of the best strategies: freelance or consult on the side. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have turned ordinary employees into six-figure earners. Another tip: switch jobs every 2-3 years. Studies show people who job hop strategically earn 30% more over a decade than those who stay in one place. Loyalty to a job is like watering a dead plant. No matter how long you stay or how much you give, it won't bloom. But shifting that energy toward your own skills, brand, or business, that's like planting a seed in fertile soil. It grows. What if the one thing you're avoiding, change, is the exact thing standing between you and the wealth you dream of? Reason number 2, comfort is the real killer of dreams. Let's talk straight. Most people stay broke not because they lack talent, but because they refuse to pivot. Fear of change is disguised as logic. I'm too old to start over. What if I fail? This job is safe. But here's the harsh truth. Safety is expensive when it comes at the cost of growth. In the 10X rule, Grant Cardone said, "Most people don't fail because they aim too high and miss. They fail because they aim too low and hit." And this is what happens when you fear change. You keep aiming low, doing what's familiar, and wonder why life isn't improving. Start small. Switch roles internally. Take weekend courses, apply to one new job a month, launch a mini side hustle. The key is, take action before life forces you to, because when it does, it'll hurt more. Barbara Corcoran from Shark Tank? She started as a waitress. She feared breaking away, but one day, she quit and started a tiny real estate business with a $1,000 loan. That pivot? It led her to build a $66 million empire. She once said, "Don't you dare underestimate the power of your own instinct." If you keep choosing comfort over courage, don't be surprised when your bank balance stays flat and your dreams stay distant. Change is not your enemy, it's your secret weapon. Number 3, the silent money leaks making you poor. Let's break a myth. I just need a higher salary. No. What most people need is awareness. In The Millionaire Next Door, Thomas J. Stanley revealed that most millionaires live below their means and track every dollar. Meanwhile, 97% of employees blindly spend on small, consistent money drains that feel harmless, but compound into financial disasters. Think unused subscriptions, impulsive food delivery, luxury credit card rewards chasing, overpriced phone plans, and emotional shopping. It's not just poor spending, it's invisible sabotage. You work 40+ hours a week, yet end up wondering where all your money went by the end of the month. The truth? It's being eaten alive by stealth expenses. Perform a spending autopsy. For the next 30 days, track every dollar you spend. Cancel at least 3 unused subscriptions. Shift to weekly budget reviews. Use tools. Create a silent leak elimination day every month. The money you save could be your first seed investment in wealth. Akshay had 5 streaming subscriptions, gym membership he never used, and food delivery almost every day. He cut down just those 3 things and started saving $300 per month, which he now invests in ETFs, slowly building wealth. Small leaks sink big ships. It's not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and where it quietly disappears. What if the reason you're stuck in the same financial cycle isn't your job, your salary, or your circumstances, but simply that no one ever taught you how money really works? Number 4, financial illiteracy. Most people are financially illiterate, and they don't even know it. You were taught trigonometry in school, but not taxes. You were handed a paycheck, but never told how to multiply it. Money without financial intelligence is money soon gone. And that's exactly why 97% of employees stay poor. They rely on one income, save what's left, avoid investments because they sound risky, and trust that their job will secure their future. Big mistake. If you don't understand how to make money work for you, you'll spend your life working for money. That means no investments, no passive income, and no retirement freedom. You want to change this? Start with financial self-education. Read 1 finance book per month. Start with The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Learn how compounding works. Watch 1 YouTube video per week on stocks, mutual funds, or ETFs. Follow creators who break down complex financial ideas into simple actions. Stop saying, "I'm not good with money." Start saying, "I'm learning about money." Being financially illiterate is like driving a Ferrari, blindfolded. You have the power, but without vision, you'll crash. Learning about money is your headlight through the dark road of adulthood. Number 5, toxic work environments. Employees stay broke not because of low salaries, but because they stay stuck in toxic work environments that drain their ambition, creativity, and health. These are the 9-to-5 prisons where gossip thrives, credit is stolen, overwork is glorified, and promotions go to politics, not performance. You tell yourself, "At least I have a job." But what you don't realize is you're trading your dreams for a paycheck that barely keeps up with inflation. Toxic jobs literally lead to anxiety, depression, and even heart disease. And worse, they slowly kill your confidence, making you believe you're only worth what the system pays you. Audit your environment. Is it growing you or draining you? If it's toxic, start planning your exit. Polish your resume. Build a freelancing profile. Learn high-income skills online. Create an escape runway of 3-6-month savings. Remember, staying isn't loyalty, it's self-abandonment. A flower doesn't bloom in toxic soil. Neither will your potential in a toxic job. You're not broke because you're lazy. You're stuck because you're in the wrong place. People live on autopilot, stuck in cycles of debt, regret, and someday thinking. But you're not most people. You stayed till the end of this video because something inside you refuses to settle. Let me ask you something real. Are you living your life as a CEO of your future or just an employee of your present? It's about thinking smarter, acting braver, and breaking patterns that no longer serve you. Remember, the only person who can change your financial story is you. If this video made you reflect or rethink your financial habits, do one thing right now. Hit like, subscribe to Are Wealthy, and comment, "I'm taking control." Let's build a life we don't need a vacation from. See you in the next video. Until then, keep growing wealth.